Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Hatteker with the model number RSCW 767. Oh, that's too long. So this Hatteker foil shaver got 1.5 hours charging time and 75 minutes operating time. Okay, and also got IPX7 water resist, which is good. Okay, and the good thing, it might be a good thing or a bad thing. Got 3 foil shaver. See that? 3 times. Got also LCD display. Okay. And also travel lock. Okay, I didn't really I didn't know before. Okay. And I bought it from Amazon also. It was cheaper than the one of AliExpress, and I said, okay, let me just take it. Now let's open it up. I don't know why to do it. This is it, guys. Charging cable, little brush, a manual, and a little bag to carry it in case if you want to travel, and that's it. So this is it. It's beautiful, right? And it's a plastic. Okay. Charging port. Power button. Here to release the head, you press the two together. See that? Okay, these two, this one and this one, they are together, and this one is standing alone. See that? So let's make a sound check. Powerful. So let me try the travel lock. I guess I have to press it a long time for 3 seconds or something like that. Okay. Now see that? Because I haven't tried it before. I didn't even read the manual before. Okay, then you need to press it again to release it. Is that good? Yo, That's it. And let's make an RPM test. $7,186. Okay, let me make also RPM test without. Okay, so it's a good foil shaver. You know, when you buy a foil shaver at the beginning, it's really good, really good. This one is good also, but later I don't know if maybe it will still be good or not. And another thing, for me personally, this is not good for a barber shop because it's too big. And if you want to use it to shave for a home use, I guess it's a really perfect one for a home use. For 3-4 shaver, a barber shop, it's too much because it's big. For a home use, if you want to use it on your head, it's really perfect. That's it. And I'm out. Peace, man.